Mic check 1 2 3. Mic check 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. That was a modulation. Speaker test 1 2 3. Speaker test 1 2 3. The another test 1 2 3. Cool. Still getting ready. Yeah. 1 second. Alright, so seems like we're ready. Or seems like I'm ready. Cool. Cool, cool. This is day 1 of learning how to UV. First things first, I won't be posting an everyday image because I want to 100% focus on really trying to learn this as much as possible, because I've been putting this off for way too long on trying to learn how to UV and stuff. Been doing 3D for a bit since since August 2017 is when I started to do 3D for real and stuff. Come quite a bit of ways since then, and even then I've neglected the UV stuff because in class all that stuff flew over my head and I kind of just ignored it since then. So I don't think that's a good thing. But here we are now. A lot of previous works really revolved around just applying shaders on them and basically hoping for the best. So this month I hope to change all that, because the preparation for next month, which I will be doing realistic stuff, try to make them realistic as possible. It could be like table, camera, cup, glass cup, foam cup, so that type of materials, and as well as the automotive modeling. After July, the start of August, that's when stuff starts to become real. That's when I really have to think and write what the animated short is gonna be. So yeah, as you can see, I have some shapes going on here. I made sure to set this up with the window stuff up beforehand. So I have this. I did start before the stream. Also, I'd like to also say that I definitely will be there will be times where I cannot stream. I am going to try to do it every day, because when I progress into this, I really would like to share what I find. But again, a lot of this knowledge is based on YouTube videos, so yeah. But hopefully I might find something on my own and then kind of just show it how I did it. But there is a lot of good videos already out there, which is a nice transition to this disclaimer. These streams are not something to learn from. I am just documenting myself using YouTube storage to as my progress continues throughout these months, and then at the end kind of put them together, these videos that I have, and then kind of see really what do you say, rate myself of how much I've learned. So again, animated short for December. Hopefully that is the goal. God, it's very difficult. Now August and September, it's probably gonna be with something to do with topology, I think. The realistic stuff, it's probably gonna be about material, specifically in Maya and Arnold too, so that's why I still have them as question marks, because I still don't know what to do. But I have to decide on that somehow. So we have the squiggly thing here that I really tried my best to figure out. So I kind of want to do that again. So let's kind of remake that, and then let's kind of make something that goes around it. Let's enter, and then it's kind of just change this around. Mess with it, and still haven't updated my stuff. Then we have our other. It's too big. there a lot of steps? It's fun. Street. This one is pretty non-existent. Like when I did this one was a blue triangle. It's like how's that possible? And then this one there's like there's nothing. Okay, so I'm just gonna watch the video like 2 times, 3 times. It's from Game Dev Academy. Check that out. One thing I'd like to mention too that I did take classes for this, and he has like a 2-hour video of pretty much of 1 semester of that class. It's like super helpful and informative. And pretty much literally what we did in class was in that 2-hour Maya Basics, I think it was called, how to learn Maya. So you definitely should check that out if you want to learn Maya. It would be nice if there was a Blender equivalent. So okay, so yeah, it's pretty much, and some other YouTube bits I'm watching right now. Let's see. How did you do? Okay, so it was automatic first. As you can see, very bad. Almost as bad as ZBrush automatic UV. Or ZBrush, it would be like just completely flat, as what they would say, roadkill UVs. And then what did he do? What did he do again? I think he stitched together is what he did. Then we have this. This is what almost to what ZBrush would get you. I'm not gonna focus on the end caps. It's fine. We're actually, I don't know. Let's see. Let's go to edge. So he selected the ends, and does that really matter? Oh yeah. So I said earlier I'm not gonna post an image every day, but I'm still gonna render this. So like, just have this frame here, and then render, and then at the very last day, and that's when I do something like this. Let me show the previous sketch, or trying to draw, and then put it together like this, sort of. And then that's when I post it on Twitter. So that's what I mean. Hopefully that makes sense. And I have to figure out how to make sure the checker texture is visible. Hold on, actually, hold on. Yeah. I don't want to do this right now, but maybe we can try to figure it out. How to try to figure out how to make the checker box show. I wonder if it's gonna do that. Let's do this right over. My voice might just start. Second. let me render this real quick. I click on this. Does that show? Yeah, it doesn't. Maybe that's an okay. That's fine. It's whatever. Just delete that. Okay, and then this. Okay, I need to reselect. Okay. Doesn't really matter, I guess. Where this goes, same, whatever. And then, what did he do? Was it a phone? No, what was it? Okay. I haven't shown this screen in a while, but oops. BRB for a little bit. Had to review it again. The video. But here's a little refresher on the BRB screen. Give me just a minute. Oh, he could. That one, what you're seeing was pretty much the mash every day that I did in November 2019. Okay, then was cut. So it should show the same. Okay. So just kind of bear with me in the first few days. Later on, I do plan on bringing in old modeled objects that I did in the past and model new stuff, complex stuff later on. It's kind of a nice exercise type of thing. Now, the issue that I had with this one was that when I clicked, or when I selected an edge to try to straighten it as this video, it didn't work. So I'm gonna assume it's going to happen again. So it's like double click on that loop edge thingy, whatever, and then clicked on this button and then, oh, okay, interesting, now it works. But to get it straight though, it's the other thing that he did was select the whole thing, and then what was it? Straighten. Was it this one? Straighten these. Oh yeah, I should probably save in case it freezes. Oh, there you go. Wow, look at that. This worked a lot better than this one did. Because when I did this one, when I did the... Why is that? I don't know why I didn't... When I did like the edge, single edge there, and I clicked on orient shells, it was still like sideways. It was still like weird. So like what I had to do with this one, let's just pretend it was sideways, is to try to like get it back straight. And then, as I did with the straighten UVs, go to UV mode, select the whole thing, and then straighten it. And then this is kind of the result. Now, thing with this one is that these end caps are like not the same as far as I understand pixel density, because if you turn this on, it's like weird, not lined up. And then over here too, these are flipped. These are not like, again, as what I understand, not in the correct orientation. Even when I flip it, it's still red. And then this is like up here. So I don't know, pretty weird. I don't know why that happened, but with this one was perfect. Really, it looks perfect. I think, in my eyes. Maybe because of there was end caps. I have no idea. So hopefully, we get to understand this more. And then we have some cubes here. Some cubes, one cube. So it seems like it's already fine, but this one is interesting. So I am going to only keep this for like 30 to like 40 minutes. I am going to again model stuff beforehand and then really do a practice on it and then stream, so that I have something to show and know what I'm doing. And again, so like what I mean by like the graphics side, let's do a very basic to make sure I have this window open. Basic loft. Let's put it over here. That's like the final exercise. What's this? And then we use this as the final exercise. Here. Now this one, I feel like you could just do a planar Y on this. So let's see what happens when we do that. Or I should do it. Where's the planar stuff? Let's create planar Y. But yeah. So I wonder if doing the same thing as these ones would give the same result. So let's do an automatic. See, actually that's pretty freaking good. Yeah, so maybe I should have done something more complex. And again, day one is all about feeling it out, mess around. Tomorrow it'd just be like bring in. I wonder if I like mess around with it. Then the storm is pretty bad. How would you do that? So like, I moved it and then automatic. Okay. Then this one, this side, screwed. This one's fine. So let's do bench. Together. Then I guess in this case, would you select all these? Pardon? I don't think there would be a point on cutting the middle, would there? Do you have to do that? I have no idea. Okay. Let's straighten it up. Okay, it's already straight. Yeah. Straighten these. Okay. That's something. What if I were to do this? Pair this with it's almost, but there's still this side right here. What if I were to so isolate stores. Is it because there's no someone there? Interesting. Let's do this here. So this here looks fun. If we were to do automatic, that's terrible. God. Look at that. It's so bad. Keep forgetting. exactly what I'm trying. So I think it's pretty important to play around with this. Can you straighten that? Oh, you can't. How would you... Is this... This best is gonna get. One thing I like to try... Let's do it. Ooh. Was the mermaid unfolded now? Interesting. Okay. Not perfect here. How would you even do this here? It's fine up here, but the bottom. Pretty bad. I think this is a good first day. So let's go ahead. Same. I don't like that. I don't like. Second. I should at least make the render decent. Okay. Let's see. Skydome, we can probably go in. His favorite HDRI. It's called Project. If you Google Arnold. Hey. If you put Arnold 5 Sophie, there's like a documentation about the tune shade, and you can download the project and you can get the studio HDRI from it. I like to use it at least for like presentation. Would this be raw again? Right? I think. I'm not sure. This one. Streaming folder to run scene 1. However, I do kind of want to use this as the render scene. How does this look like? And then these ones will have checkerboard. I still have to figure out how to show the UV checker instead. Make it too small, sorry. Alright, so that concludes today. Again, I will not be doing an image every day. Instead, I'm gonna still render an image, but wait until the last day of this month and then put it together like this. So, before I stream, still gonna do like a practice run, try to learn what I'm gonna do on stream and then show it. I still kind of want to stream this, because maybe if I find something useful, a shortcut, whatever, in terms of the UV stuff, it would be cool to share that. And hopefully I'll try to stream every day. There will be days where I won't be able to. So thanks for watching day 1 of trying to learn how to UV. See you tomorrow.